Meanwhile, Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services Minister Jenfan Muswere has indicated that the overall progress of construction works for the SADC Summit is 90% complete. He was also speaking during today's post-cabinet media briefing.
Government is also rehabilitating the Greater Harare roads, and the scope of works includes the rehabilitation, street lighting and landscaping of 37 roads in the Greater Harare area that link the Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport to the city and also to Mount Hamden and the new Parliament building in particular. The overall progress of works is satisfactory, and the target completion is the 30th of July 2024.
Now let us take a look at highlights from today's post-cabinet media briefing.